Season 1, Episode 1. We met the REPL. Today we come back with power tools. Everything in this episode happens at this prompt. No editor, no build. Just you, the language, and a comma. Every power tool lives behind a comma, and help is the belt laid out on the table. Evaluation tools, time, type, expand, profile, dis. Inspection, describe, apropos, env. A whole debugging section we're saving for next episode. And system commands. That last line is real, by the way. Underscore always holds your previous result. Ask the REPL about itself. Describe map, a procedure, arity2. Describe something you just wrote, and it remembers where it came from. Fib, defined at the REPL, line 1. And apropos is search over the running image. Every binding with fold in its name. 17 of them, and this is exactly how you find the one whose name you half remember. Type answers "what is this?" without printing a screenful. 1/3 is irrational, exact, like episode 3 promised. And time answers the eternal question. Fib of 25, it's 75,025. In a few dozen milliseconds of tree recursion. Profile goes deeper than a stopwatch. Run fib of 20 and you get the whole story. 21,891 calls to fib. That's what naive tree recursion costs. Plus 10,945 calls to plus. And almost all of the time spent in fib itself. Measure first. Remember swap from the macros episode? Define it again and ask expand what a use of it becomes. Now look at those names. _hyg. That's hygiene, made visible. The expander renamed the macros TMP so it can never capture a TMP of yours. Season 1 Episode 7 said trust the hygiene. This is the receipt. 1 level lower. Dis shows the actual bytecode behind square. A register machine, load star from the globals, move X into place, and there, tail underscore call. That single instruction is why a million-step loop never grew your stack in Episode 6. You're looking at the proof. And if this view is your kind of fun, Episode 6 of this season goes all the way down. 2 system tools to finish. GC prints the collector's ledger, live objects, heap size, what's been allocated, by type. And import works right here. No restart. Pull in SRFI1, fold plus over the numbers 0 through 100. 5050. Gauss's classroom trick, live at the prompt. So, the REPL is an IDE. Documentation, search, a stopwatch, a profiler, a macro X-ray, and a disassembler. Each one comma away. Next episode, the section we skipped in the menu. Break, step, locals, watch. The built-in debugger. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.